Syrian defector reveals identity. Farid Nada al-Madhan, formerly Caesar, exposed Assad's atrocities, urged lifting U.S. sanctions, and pushed for national courts to prosecute war criminals. Netanyahu's golden pager gift to Trump. Israeli PM gifted Trump a symbolic pager referencing a Mossad operation, reinforcing U.S.-Israel ties and geopolitical collaboration. Trump sanctions, ICC. Trump signed an order imposing sanctions on the ICC, targeting officials prosecuting the U.S. and Israel, accusing the court of illegitimate actions. Modi's France visit and defense deals. PM Modi, to finalize key Rafale M and Scorpion submarine deals, strengthening India-France defense ties and enhancing India's military capabilities. Russia claims Toretsk capture. Moscow says its forces seized Toretsk in Ukraine's Donetsk region, raising concerns over Kyiv's defenses and future U.S. military aid. Khamenei warns,